That $1,000 phone didn't cost you $1,000. It cost you 80 hours of your life. That $50 dinner wasn't $50. It was 2 hours you will never, ever get back. You've been lied to. The price tag on every item is a massive deception designed to hide the true cost, your finite time on this planet. You think you're running out of money, but you're actually running out of life. And today, we are going to shatter that illusion forever. This is Captain Leanne from the Manifestation Flight Academy. Here, I fuse spiritual manifestation with scientific application and practical financial intelligence to help you break through financial drag and reboot your life's navigation system. And today, we are plugging into the financial matrix to install a patch that will change the way you see every dollar you ever touch. Imagine your life is a high-performance aircraft. Your bank account is the fuel tank. But most of us are flying with a critical system error. We think our fuel is just money. We don't realize every single drop is pumped directly from our own life force reservoir. We get stuck in a low-altitude holding pattern, burning through our life on impulse buys and unnecessary subscriptions, wondering why we never reach our destination. We're not piloting the plane, we've become its fuel cell, burning ourselves just to keep the system running. But inside the Holistic Manifestation Flight Disciplines database, there are 3 core departments that give us the real physics of this fuel. First, the wealth engineer gives us the hard coordinates. The core physical law is, money is crystallized life energy. The cash in your wallet is not paper, it's condensed time from your past and the voucher for your future freedom. To waste it is to literally throw away pieces of your life. Second, the high-dimensional flight coach provides the soft instructions. Money is not just a physical object, it has an emotional frequency. Money earned from a job you hate is low frequency, contaminated fuel that corrodes your engine. Money earned with joy and gratitude is high-octane fuel that powers a clean, efficient flight. Finally, the neural system architect acts as our signal amplifier, revealing that you are the fuel tank. If your mind-body system is resonating at a low frequency of scarcity or fear, even if you add fuel, it will leak right out. Money is an amplifier. It makes an anxious person more anxious and an abundant person more abundant. So, how do we fix this? We install the Holistic Manifestation Flight Operations Protocol. It's a 2-part system upgrade. The first part is an internal filtration exercise, the thank you protocol. This recalibrates the chemical properties of your fuel. From now on, every time you spend money, pause for 1 second and silently say thank you. Thank the money for the service it provided. When you pay an electricity bill, thank it for the light. When you buy food, thank it for the nourishment. You are injecting the code of gratitude into the currency flow. And when you receive money, your salary, a payment, do the same. Say a powerful internal thank you. Thank the universe, thank the source. This cleanses the fuel of any anxious energy, turning it into pure, high-octane power for your flight. The second part is an external calculation, the Life Energy Rate Calculator. This is where we stop lying to ourselves. Step 1. Calculate your real hours. Step 2. Calculate your real income. Step 3. Divide your real income by your real hours. The number you get is your life energy rate. It might be shockingly low. Step 4. The burn decision. That $1,200 phone, divided by your life energy rate of, say, $15 an hour, costs you 80 hours. Ask yourself, am I willing to trade 2 full weeks of my one finite life for this device? If the answer is no, you don't just save money. You cut your life losses. This is just a small part of our flight course. Want the full Holistic Manifestation Flight Manual? Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and click the Google form link in the description to enter your email. I'll send you the complete PDF manual for free. Remember to subscribe to You Are Light, and I'll see you in the next class.